stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody to love.
Come here. You guys, that was intense. That was the first time I cut the grass and it was a lot. We have a really big yard, but it was a good workout. But while I was cutting the grass, look at this. My friend dropped off a plant for me. Well, actually 2 plants. She just started an IG page where she sells plants. Like, she picks them up and delivers them for you. So I'm gonna link her information down below. Her name is Bethany and she's just super awesome for doing that. She knows my obsession for plants, but she's got a lot of plants herself too. It's so exciting to see all her little plants. I only have 12 plants, so that's not bad. Yeah, I think I'm an addict now, but I'll stop soon. Anyways, I hope you guys are having a good weekend. Today's been really nice. We didn't do much. I went to Walmart earlier. The line was big, but the process was it was fast. So can you guys hear Logan? He's so cute. He's pretending he's cooking because I'm making dinner. But yeah, hope you guys are having a good weekend and you're enjoying the sunshine, the good weather. Hopefully it's gonna be steady and no more cold. I don't mind rain, but cold, no. Anywho, yeah, I'm always sitting here. It's in the kitchen. I just like to sit here and feel like I'm having some me time. But yeah, I'm making dinner now. We're gonna eat and have the kids go to bed, and I'm just gonna probably pass out.
A secret kiss from painted lips. Yeah, we can move in, move in. A taken bed, a sun to set, and maybe we're falling, falling.
It may all be over before it's begun, before it's begun. Let's get
had a little visitor in my yard. Oh, that bird was so cute. It's actually still here. But anyways, I'm in the backyard by myself. I cut the grass yesterday, but now I kind of want to work on the garden. I don't even have any herbs or vegetables to plant yet, but it just looks awful with nothing in the garden. So, and I wanted to bring my house plants outside so they can get some kind of sunshine. It's not really sunny today, it's just a whole lot of wind. There's so much wind. But yeah, I wanted to have some me time while the kids are inside. I don't know how long I'm gonna stay out here for because I feel a little chilly. But I wanted to work on the front yard and the backyard a little bit. It's been a yard work kind of weekend.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love, true to love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
Guys, how pretty is this? Look at that. I don't know what plant this is, but it's so gorgeous. And there's this one. So I planted these last year, and my mom gave me some of hers from her plants, and she told me that they will come up this year, the next spring, which is this year. And I planted 4. They've all come up except for this one. There's like barely anything there, just this. Now I don't know if I should take it out or leave it and it's just gonna grow on its own, because they're supposed to grow into like massive bushes, but that's all I got. This edging is also coming off. As you can see, it fell off and we didn't put it deep enough, so Jeremy has to dig this all over again, and we're gonna stick it in the ground a little deeper so it stays. And the bricks are all falling, so we're gonna have to redo all that. It was such a pain last year, so now we have to redo it again.
My true love, true to love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
Break it down like this.
This line is not straight at all. Can you guys see it? Oh my goodness. A forever for me. Oh my gosh, look how much work we have to do in this yard. So, we were thinking of staining this. As you can see, the paint kind of peeled off on majority of these boards. So we were thinking of probably staining it again, because redoing the whole thing is just not an option. because we still have our deck to build over here. It comes off of our bedroom here. This is our bedroom sliding door. So we wanted to build a deck over here, and then we're gonna put a shed on that side. So it's a big project we have for this year. If everything would just open up so we could start.
I don't have to party to have fun, you see. I got different hobbies, and that's all I need. Some say life is boring, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know worth it. I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, gonna cry, gonna cry. Chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm not into drinking, that's just wasting time. I'd rather be spending it on working out. Some say I'm too uptight, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know worth it. I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna.
Okay, so this plant is honestly driving me crazy. I had to split it. It has started to grow a little bit, and then all of a sudden the leaves started rotting. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong. If you have snake plants, can you let me know how to take care of them, because I feel like I'm failing, and I love it so much, and I want it to grow because I know they can grow pretty high. As you can see, mine is not quite high just yet. It's still like a little baby. So if you have any tips on this, can you let me know down in the comments. I've split it, so I hope this will give it I don't know, whatever it needs. And I also changed the soil for this one. I put in some new soil. So yeah, wish me luck. Hey, this is where I'm keeping him in the house. He says they don't require much light, so maybe they do, I don't know. They'll just stay here for now. You did it! Yay! He's been trying to learn how to ride his bike. It's so cute. Good job, Ethan. You're getting so much better now. I thought we had to get him a new one because he looks a little tall for it, but my husband lifted up the seat and he looks so much better. Good job, Bubba's. Come on, muscles. You got it. Keep going. Oh, you got it. Look at you. Good job. Oh. Good job. Oh, I'm so proud of you. He's gotten so good. When we first bought him that bike, he was so terrified to ride it. He didn't want to be on it. So we kept it for like a year before he even started to play with it. And now he's getting so good. So good. Because we were scared to take him on like the sidewalk because of the fear that he had. But now he looks like he's ready to go. Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
Safety first, guys. We got our helmet on and we're ready to go. Muscles, Ethan.
Okay, trying to kill
Okay.
muscles.
Yeah? You getting it. There you go. Off he goes. You're so determined, aren't you?